yesterday, my Republican colleagues introduced a continuing resolution that would increase the defense budget for the entire year while funding the rest of the government for just 1 week and drastically cutting just about every other vital program. That's no compromise. For months, the Republicans have said that as we reduce spending, everyone has to take a haircut, including the Defense Department. But now the Republicans propose increasing military spending. The Republicans claim they want to fund the government for the rest of the year, but this bill is for 1 week with drastic cuts to programs that serve our most vulnerable. Madam Speaker, if you say one thing and then you do another, that's not negotiating in good faith. That's not a real compromise. In fact, the Washington Post reported that at the Republican caucus this week, the possibility of the government shutdown was greeted with cheers and with applause. They want a shutdown. Over 13 million Americans are unemployed. They don't have time for this, and they don't have any more time to waste. And we shouldn't be wasting the time and the resources that they gave us. So if the Republicans won't compromise at the negotiating table, maybe we should get everyone down here to the floor to discuss this, to discuss the condition of the unemployed, and to discuss why a government of, for, and by the people should remain open. Madam Speaker, I move that the House do now adjourn.
Gentleman yield back.
Madam Speaker, I move that the House do now adjourn.
The gentleman makes a motion to adjourn, and the question is on the motion to adjourn. Those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Those opposed will say no. No. The noes have it. The noes have it. The motion fails.
Madam Speaker.
For what purpose does the gentleman from Illinois rise?
I request the yeas and nays, Madam Speaker.
The yeas and nays are requested. Those favoring a vote by the yeas and nays will rise. A sufficient number having arisen, the yeas and nays are ordered. Members will record their votes by electronic device. This will be a 15-minute vote.